so happy for you guys. 1 million subscribers, that is such an achievement. I just want to thank you for everything that you've done for me personally. What you've done for the photography community is simply amazing. You are respected and kind and generous, and just as much online as off. And I'm grateful to call you my friend. And again, congratulations and thank you so much. And I'm not the only one who thinks you're amazing. Take a look.
Congratulations on 1 million! How many? 1 million. How many? 1 million. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Guys, we are all so lucky to know you, learn from you, laugh with you, just get to enjoy who you guys are and all the wonderful things that you put out there every single day for all of us. We appreciate you so much. All 1 million of us are so lucky that we have you in our lives, and we cannot wait to see what you guys do next. See you soon!
Hey Tony, hey Chelsea, it's Tim checking in from Philadelphia. Just wanted to say hello and congratulations on your 1 million. Thank you so much for all that you have given to myself and so many other photographers. It's been a huge benefit to me and how far I've come in my photography path. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Chelsea and Tony, on hitting 1 million subscribers. I just wanted to thank you for educating and inspiring the photography community around the world.
Congratulations, Tony and Chelsea, on reaching 1 million followers. I'm Emil Puella. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. And in case you think you can't teach an old dog new tricks, I began photography in January of this year. I'm 72 years old. I bought your books, and I even bought your t-shirt. Congratulations, you two.
Tony and Chelsea, congratulations on the 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Myself, like many others, have been helped enormously by your videos and your books. Please keep doing what you're doing. Love the videos, love the books, love your Facebook groups. Can't wait to see what else you're coming up with.
Hey Tony, hey Chelsea. I just wanted to say thank you so much. You really have made a big difference in my photography. I'm a real slow learner, and your book has helped me out so much. I can take my time, and thanks again.
Hi Tony and Chelsea. Wow, you passed 1 million subscribers on your YouTube channel. Amazing. And I'm proud to be one of them. Thank you for all your support and time spent to make us better photographers. Greetings from Belgium.
Tony, Chelsea, Justin, congratulations on reaching 1 million subscribers on YouTube. On a personal note, thank you very much for all the hard work you do for the videos and the books to help people worldwide appreciate and learn photography. Congratulations.
Hi Tony and Chelsea, I'd just like to congratulate you on hitting 1 million subscribers on your YouTube channel. I bought How to Create Stunning Digital Photography about 4 years ago, and I knew nothing about photography, and due to that book and the skills that I've developed, I actually won the competition last month on your live Thursday night channel. So I'd just like to once again say thanks very much.
My name is Peter Ensrud. I'm from Santa Rosa, California. I bought How to Create Stunning Digital Photography years ago while living in Switzerland to learn how to improve my photography, as well as to join a group that would help me improve, and it's been everything and more that I could have ever asked for. You guys have done such a great job creating such a wonderful group with so many great members that have helped me so much. Thank you.
Tony and Chelsea, you guys are absolute rock stars on YouTube. Not only as a photographer, but as a content creator, you guys inspire me so much. You guys set the bar really high for me, really high. And I aspire to be like you guys, couple goals all day long. So again, congrats on 1 million, and make sure you go out and celebrate. I'll see you at the next Sony event. Bye.
Hey Tony and Chelsea, it's Michael coming to you from Maui, and I want to say congratulations on reaching that 1 millionth subscriber. That is a huge accomplishment that most YouTubers will never even come close to. You guys have worked so hard and deserve everything that comes with it. And I also want to say thank you guys so much again for last year, helping Puerto Rico, the way we were able to synergize and the way you took the initiative and the support that you gave me was just mind-blowing. You guys are just really good, awesome people, and I'm thrilled to know you. I was so touched by the way you guys supported me even after you left we were messaging for almost 10 weeks, but in the end, I think the meaningful impact that we had on the Puerto Ricans who needed the help is just one of the highlights of my life. And I want to say thank you guys so much for those memories and for working with me and being my friends, and I really appreciate you guys. Looking forward to everything that you have coming in the future, whether it will be 2 million or 3 million or more disaster aid trips. I'm here for you. I love you guys, and I wish you the very best in celebrating your 1 millionth subscriber.
Hey Tony and Chelsea, congratulations on hitting 1 million subscribers. Really great work. You've been working so hard. Your content is first rate and you're really helping so many people around the world. It's been a pleasure to get to know you over the last couple of years and to find that you're just as fun and friendly offline as you are online. So congratulations, well deserved to both of you.
Hey Tony and Chelsea.
And don't forget Justin.
And Justin.
And Pixel.
And Pixel. Hey, Justin, Chelsea, Tony, and Pixel, congratulations on your 1 millionth YouTube subscriber. That's fantastic work. I couldn't ask for more for the best YouTube educators out on them interwebs today. Keep up the great work.
Yes, you guys rock.
All right, take care, guys.
Tony and Chelsea, I really can't thank you guys enough for everything that you've done, both to help me grow as a photographer, being mentors, and also giving me a platform to share my work. You guys have gone above and beyond. I'm so happy to be able to share my passion for teaching with others because of you guys. So, well-deserved congratulations on the milestone. Thank you.
Hey Tony, hey Chelsea, how's it going? Congratulations on your 1 million YouTube subscriber account. You guys totally deserve it. I would like to thank you for all that you have done for everyone on Stunning Digital Photography Group, and especially for the impact you guys had in my life. So over the years with you guys, I went from shooting the kind of pictures like this to the kind of pictures like this. You know, big transformation for me. And it's not just the pictures, it's not just the photograph, it is about the community that you guys have created that allow me to make friends all over the world. So I have visited them, I have traveled with them, I have made lifelong friends with them. And this have opened so many doors for me. And for that, I really thank you.
Hi Chelsea and Tony, congratulations on your 1 million subscribers, and also thanks for the great content.
Congratulations Tony and Chelsea. Thank you guys so much for making photography so fun and approachable. Oh my god, I wanted Bob to say thanks too because he's the one I always take pictures of. Thank you Tony and Chelsea.
Congratulations Tony and Chelsea for hitting 1 million followers on YouTube. You absolutely deserve it. I really appreciated all your help when you interviewed me for Top Photographer, and you've been inspiring so many photographers along the way. Keep it up. Well done.
Hey Tony, hey Chelsea, Tommy Papa here. I want to congratulate you and your team on the 1 million YouTube subscribers. Fantastic work. You guys continually inspire and are the embodiment of a good photography community. So cheers to the next million. Congratulations again. Bye.
Tony, Chelsea, congratulations on 1 million subscribers. Thank you so much for everything you've done. I've learned so much from you guys, and every day it's just an honor to work with you both. Thank you.
Thank you, Tony and Chelsea. Your book and your videos are amazing, and they've helped so many amateur photographers like myself grow.
Hi Tony and Chelsea, congratulations on 1 million subscribers. You guys are a great resource to me. My name is Eric Novak, I'm a photographer in Baltimore, Maryland, and out of everything in my camera bag, this is probably the most valuable thing. Thank you guys so much. Say hi to Pixel for me.
Hey guys, Giselle here, wishing you congratulations on your 1 million subscribers. That's really amazing. Really been exciting to watch you guys along this journey since 2012 and to call you personal friends. So it's so well deserved, and I hope you guys go out and celebrate.
Hey Tony and Chelsea, I just want to let you know I discovered your channel by accident, and that very day I went and bought your ebook on Amazon, and I read half of that book that night, and it has forever changed the way I do photography. Thank you so much, and congratulations on your 1 million subscribers. I have no doubt you're gonna get 2 million very soon.
Hey Tony and Chelsea, it's Kevin. Just wanted to congratulate you guys on 1 million subscribers. What an amazing achievement. I still remember 8 years ago being at a soccer field and hearing, hey dude, nice lens, and remembering you telling me about the idea for Stunning Digital Photography. I'm truly honored that I got the chance to help you work on the book, and I've learned a ton through helping others through the book and the community that you've created. And I just wanted to say congratulations. I know it's been a lot of hard work for you guys. It looks like a ton of fun from the outside, but seeing it firsthand from behind the scenes, I know you've worked very, very hard at what you have. You know, Danny occasionally will say, hey, I want to be a YouTuber when I grow up. And for a long time, I was laughing at the idea. But when I think of you guys and everything that you've done to help people, the philanthropic efforts you've done, etc., I want to say I'm not so scared about that as a career for Dan anymore. So congratulations on everything you've done, reaching out to 1 million people and definitely even more who don't subscribe or who've just bought the book. What an amazing achievement. So celebrate, you guys deserve it. Hope you have a great day.
Dear Tony and Chelsea, congratulations on 1 million subscribers. Thank you for teaching us so many things. As a nature and wildlife photographer, now I'm interested in portraits and street photography just because of you. You're fantastic. Keep doing what you're doing. Thanks.
Hey Tony and Chelsea, congratulations on 1 million subscribers. We are so happy for you. We are looking forward to see what is next for you guys, and we just cannot believe we are so thankful to know you guys.
Yeah, you guys have been such a help to the community, such an inspiration to us, so thank you so much for all you guys have done, and congrats again.
Congratulations,
Tony, Chelsea, Tigar here, having some tequila in honor of your 1 millionth YouTube subscriber. It's an honor knowing you. That is all.
Congratulations! Who's cleaning this up?
Oh my gosh, that was so awesome. I haven't cried this much in like forever. I could not stop crying. That was like the best present I've ever had.
I was so excited. I barely slept last night.
Oh. How did you get all those people? Like a whole police department and Nigel Barker?
I know, I couldn't believe that. I wanted some good surprises in there.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that was incredibly touching. Thank you. I was like crying watching you cry.